Guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today has been a very busy day again, but before I get to that, I just wanted to show you how beautiful this little spot is. I mean, look at this. We've got the river down there, we've got the canal there, over there, all that beautiful countryside. Yeah, feeling blessed. Oh yeah. Anyway, let's go and have a look at what we've been up to today. So today I'm going to be sorting out the other side of this door. As you can see, that bit's been welded in. You can see what we've ground back to there, and I'm going to have to cut this piece out here and weld a patch in there. Now I've actually already welded up the plate for it. You can see here I've got just grind all this back and make it all look pretty, and then that will be welded into that. Now if I'm very lucky, I might, obviously this has got to be ground back, get some paint on this, and depending how quickly it dries, you can see here where I've filled in the holes, but depending how quick the paint dries and everything else, I might get some wood on the inside of these doors, which would be nice. And also I want another yellow in here as well, just as a backup look. So a little bit of a jump forward, because I managed to delete two of my videos, like a total, not a div, thinking I was deleting one, which I've made a mistake with. Anyway, so I've welded up the bottom of the other door. It's had a treatment and now it's got paint on it on both sides of the doors. My plan is now I picked up this reduced from B&Q. I've got a couple of bits of pine, so I'm going to cut them out to size, build a frame around them, and hopefully get a coat of varnish on there. And fingers crossed, if they're both dry enough, I might actually be able to fit them. So let's see how we get on. And we have back doors on, all welded up, wooden panels made up on there now. The only issue I'm going to have really is I've done some smaller ones of these. I'm going to be careful still, but because I wanted to stick the Yale back in, and of course the Yale comes out right where that picture is. So yeah, don't know what to do with that. But yeah, I'm happy with that now. And then I thought, well, why not just get the rest of the deck painted as well, and I've also done this as well, which I'm going to probably do some cream in it. I'm not too sure how I'm going to do that. I've also got a new arms got on there, a nice shiny one, so that's got to be done at some point. I need to put a hole in it. But yeah, that's what we got up to today.